in the heart of China, hidden behind secured walls and guarded labs. There's a strange structure that looks like something out of a sci-fi movie, a gold-plated well. But what is it really? And why is the world starting to take notice? The gold mystery. This isn't just any ordinary well. It's completely lined with a golden surface, not for decoration, but for science. Gold, as it turns out, is a powerful material in high-tech research. It's an excellent conductor, and most importantly, it blocks unwanted electromagnetic signals. What's going on down there? Inside the well, there's water. Why? We don't know for sure. But in high-tech labs, water isn't just for cooling. It can reflect or carry signals. It could even be part of an experiment in sound or light wave manipulation. Why all the secrecy? The Chinese government hasn't released any official explanation, but the secrecy only fuels the curiosity. Is this the future of deep space communication? Or is it part of something even bigger? Conclusion. One thing is certain. This gold-plated well isn't just a fancy science prop. It's a doorway to something unknown, maybe even revolutionary. And while we wait for answers, the mystery only grows deeper.